Every morning, a war begins. One wants peace, the other wants punctuality. This is the morning melee. Meet our sleeper. He's in deep REM. Dreams of snacks and celebrity crushes. It's a natural predator, that unholy shriek from hell. Behold, the ringmaster of regret, the blaster of dreams, the alarm clock. He throws the pillow. It dodges. He hits snooze. It resets in 5. He's late. It's on time. Every time. It's got backup. Phone alarms, smartwatch vibrations, even mom yelling from the hallway. But he's pulling out the heavy artillery. Blanket fortress, earplugs, and the old pretend to be dead move. It's a final round. At 6:45 a.m., she goes for the triple snooze combo. It unleashes its final form, maximum volume, plus vibration mode. He knocks him off the nightstand. Victory? Nope. He wakes up at 7 a.m. Missed bus, missed school. The clock wins the war.